we're gonna discuss about 3 BHK. This is currently we're sitting in Tower 12. I'm going to show you the typical size of our sample flat for 3 BHK. That is 1917 square foot. I'm talking about the super area. I'll just show you a quick view of the apartment. Let's go. So if you have a look at the living room, this is quite spacious. Around 12 by 22 square feet, massive area you are getting here. So just have a look at the dining table. The kind of interior we have done for it.
This is living and dining.
This is living plus dining area. And the biggest advantage with the living and the balcony area is that we are having a running balcony. I'm going to show you the running balcony, how massive it is.
Yes.
So this is the balcony basically currently we are having. This balcony is quite spacious, and you can even convert this balcony into a gazebo or into a lawn, or you can put some swings over there. And this thing which we have covered is because this is our sample flat. We don't want to get dust or anything get inside. So this railing will be typically there. This will not be there in the actual flats.
Okay.
Right now we are further moving to.
Let's have a view of this balcony first. Good. Very nice.
So as you move from this area to your dining table, right on the back side of your dining table you'll be getting a storeroom, a puja room, and an inbuilt storeroom also.
Okay.
Just to show us to our clients.
Great.
This is the puja room, and inside there is the storeroom also.
Storeroom as well. Wow. This is the puja room. The agarbatti is there, and there is a storeroom as well. There is the storeroom.
Now we're going to show you the kitchen area. This is again your big size of kitchen which we are having here. Around 11 by 8 size of the kitchen for this. Please show it. And also we're getting a utility balcony.
Utility area.
So here, like, we have put a washing machine. So in all the utility balconies, you are having the water drainage point, and the electricity circuit is there. So you can use this as a utility balcony. You can wash your clothes. Further, we're going to move to.
And these steps are already fitted, right?
Yeah, these steps are already fitted. All Jaguar.
Okay, all Jaguar. And these are the cupboards which will only in the sample flat, which will be available.
Yeah. So we are not providing any of the furniture, any of the fixed furniture, or any of the boards or this doors or anything. We are only providing this granite with each and every
granite.
flat.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So this is again your master bedroom, massive master bedroom of 13 by 13. And if you have a
this is the master bedroom?
This is the master bedroom.
Okay.
And here is your washroom.
Just look at the washroom.
Here you're getting attached balcony with your master bedroom also.
Okay. The same balcony view which
we have. No. This is the
separate balcony.
Separate balcony.
Okay.
So as I told you, these things which we have covered for this sample flat for our purpose only. So the dust and the heat will not get in.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is another second master bedroom, what we call it.
Second master bedroom.
Also can be used for your children. So we divided up this room according to the children's room.
Kids room.
As you can see that the kids room.
Okay.
This is again your 12 by 12 size of the room.
Okay.
And with the attached washroom, you can see the washroom is also quite spacious. And here also we are getting the slider balconies.
Okay, great.
For the sunlight. Look at the lush green planting we have done here.
Wow. Wow, good.
Yeah.
This is the kids' attached washroom, right?
Yeah. So here we have another room which we call it for the guest room.
Guest room.
This is again your master room of 11 by 12.
11 bed.
So as you can see that the room sizes of each and every room is quite spacious.
Quite spacious.
The
yes.
balconies are quite spacious. The living room is quite spacious. The dining area is quite spacious. And also what you are getting is your storeroom and puja room that is inbuilt. With
That is
you are
inbuilt.
getting.
Yes.
So you can also have a look at this balcony. This is the same balcony which is attached with the drawing room.
That is the running balcony,
This
right?
is the running balcony.
Yes. Wow. Quite a big balcony.
Yeah. And with this, we are getting this washroom also. This can be used by guests also.
Common
The
washroom.
common
it is.
washroom,
Common
what we call
washroom.
it. The sizes of each and every washroom is quite good, quite
Good.
spacious.
Yes. And the tap fitting of Jaguar, right?
Jaguar. Each and every apartment is getting a tap fitting of Jaguar. Your
Yes.
sanitary ware and every fitting. So guys, that was all about our 3 BHK 3 BHK unit. This is 1917 square feet. I hope you guys gonna like it, loved
Yes.
it,
Yes.
and we are expecting some good bookings from your side.
Thank you. Hi, we are at Tata Bahadurgarh. This is a 1200.
This is 1296 square feet, 2
Square.
BHK small. Now
Okay.
I'm gonna just give you a quite quick look of the apartment, how it typically looks like, and what is the view and all of things.
Yes.
So currently now we are starting in the drawing room. And if you see on my right hand side, this is quite spacious kitchen which we are having. And we are also providing a utility balcony here with this kitchen, so you can easily put your washing machine, wash your clothes,
Yes.
and use this area.
You have a tap connection and the electricity connection
Tap
as well.
connection and electricity connection is always there.
Can we have a view of this? This is the outside view, right?
Yeah.
This is the outside view with the garden facing, park facing and all.
So all the taps which we are providing, that is included in the price. So this is Jaguar brand which we are providing, all the bath fittings and everything.
Okay.
Now again we are moving to the drawing room. You can see the quite spacious and everything is there. Since this unit is a park facing unit, so you will be enjoying the park facing view also.
Park facing.
This is your spacious balcony.
Very
Of
nice.
7 by 6, and from here you can see the vehicle movements and everything.
Yes.
So that's basically your entrance.
Entrance.
And if you move your camera to that side, this is your jogging track and your beautiful garden. You can
Yes.
have a look of your children while playing.
Yes.
That side we have swings, right? And further moving from the drawing room, now we have provided what do you call it? You can use it as a storeroom or a temple room also.
Yes.
So this is extra which we have provided in a 2 BHK. And now I'm going to show you the sample flat which we are having. So the sample flat is around 12 by 12. This is quite spacious.
Master bedroom?
This is the master bedroom.
Okay.
Right, so this is the master bedroom for the 2 BHK small, and we have provided the attached washroom.
The washroom with the fitted taps and all.
Yeah.
Quite spacious. This is also. You can see.
Now I'm going to show you the balcony view from the master bedroom of 2 BHK small.
Yes.
So this is how typically your balcony looks like. You can enjoy your evening tea,
Yes.
snacks, your drinks,
Yes.
everything.
What is the size of the building floor?
So this is ground plus 14 floor building.
Ground plus 14,
We have
okay.
3 towers. Tower 5, 6, 7 is the 2 BHK.
Okay.
And tower 11 and 12 will be your 3 BHK.
3 BHK.
So in our next videos, we'll be shooting our 3 BHKs also.
3 BHK.
So this is a video for 2 BHK small, 1296 square foot.
1296 square
park-facing
feet.
unit.
Park facing unit. You can see the park, you can see the greenery, you can see the lawn, and you can have the walking track as well, right? Jogging
This
track.
is the jogging track basically.
Jogging track. Okay. Great. The master bedroom it is, and it is also quite spacious.
Yeah, quite spacious. But this is 12 by 12 like.
12 by 12 of the master
Yeah,
bedroom. Then this is the
When you're moving out, this is another washroom which we have provided as a
Common washroom.
Common washroom.
Yes.
Can be used with this room also.
yes.
And
Just have a look at the common washroom here. Yes.
and this is your another room. This is also quite spacious. This is another bedroom you can say with the 2 BHKs, and here we have also provided the balconies.
Very
So
good.
the view from all the park facing units are absolutely same.
Yes. These are the aluminium windows.
Yeah,
Aluminium.
This is toughened glasses.
Toughened glass.
Which we have provided.
Great. And this room is around 10 by 10? Approximately 10 by 10. So you can see this is the powder room kind of thing, a storage kind of thing you can use like that. Obviously, once again, I am just going there to look into this balcony. You can see wonderful view of the balcony. You can see the greeneries and all. You have the jogging tracks, the morning and evening tea you can have, and this is the entry point and as well as exit point. So everything nice on place. Thank you. Thank
So
you.
that's about our 2 BHK.
2 BHK apartment.
Small 296 square feet park facing unit.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello guys, now we're gonna show you a quick view of our 2 BHK large. That is 1521 square feet. I'll just start with the view. So this is the unit 105 which we're gonna discuss. Right on the entrance of the floor, like on the right hand side, you'll be able to get a quite spacious puja room, or you can use it as storeroom also. And if you close the storeroom, then on the right hand side will be a kitchen. The kitchen, the format of the kitchen is quite good, like it's very L-shaped.
Yes.
Square kitchen you are getting here, and the best thing is you're also getting a balcony with the kitchen light. So here you can put your chimney pipes, and everything will be dubbed up there only.
Yes.
So right from your kitchen you will be having a view of your drawing room.
Yes.
Now we are just going to the drawing room. So as you can see, the drawing room is quite spacious, and on my left hand side you can see that area. This area particularly you can use for your dining and everything. The best part about this unit is you will be having a non-park facing view also and a park facing view also.
Park facing. Okay.
We are just showing you the non-park facing view.
Non-park facing. Okay.
So here you will be getting a quite spacious balcony, running balcony. You can convert this balcony into a gazebo kind of stuff. So you can use this balcony as a gazebo kind of stuff. You can put your swings there. You can just make it as a garden also. So this is the balcony for.
What is the size?
So the size of this apartment is 1521 square feet. So the balcony is quite spacious. This balcony is also of the clubhouse. We have a very beautiful
Clubhouse is there, yes.
with full of amenities. And these are your visitor parkings. The metro station is around 4 kilometers from this project.
4 kilometers from this
4
place.
kilometers exact. We
Okay.
have the Shaheed Brigadier Hoshiar Singh metro station,
Okay.
which is around 4 kilometers far from our project. Now
Okay.
I'm going to show you the another balcony, which is the park facing balcony
Park facing.
of the 2 BHK large.
Okay.
So this is, as you discussed, this is the dining area. Oh, one more thing what you can do is, if you want to compromise on the area, so you can also convert this 2 BHK into a 3 BHK, because here you are also getting quite good space.
Yes.
So you can place a wall here and you can convert it to a 3 BHK.
3 BHK as well.
With
Okay.
the same price only.
Okay.
So this is the another balcony which we will discuss. So here you can see the park facing view is here.
Oh, wow. This is the park facing unit.
Yeah, this is the park facing balcony.
You can see the towers of 14 floor.
Yeah,
14
ground
floor.
plus 14 floor.
Ground plus 14. Great.
So further we'll be moving to see our master bedroom.
Master bedroom, okay.
So
Yes,
you can see the master bedroom is quite spacious. The size is 12 by 14. You're getting a massive bed master bedroom of 12 by 14. Even if you have a look at the washroom is also quite spacious.
Quite spacious, possible. And these taps are all fitted, right?
Yeah, all Jaguar.
Okay.
I will also show you the another balcony which we are getting.
Okay.
This is the balcony with the master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Okay.
Yeah. So, as we discussed, that was also our balcony for the drawing room and another room. And this is our master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Okay.
Yeah. Further moving to our
Just have a look at the outside view. This is the non-park view. Clubhouse is also facing over there. You can view.
and the best part, if we discuss of this project is 86 families have taken the possession and 25 families are already moving there. Each and every amenities is 100% operational. If you talk about your crash, if you talk about your swimming pool, if you talk about your gym, if you talk about your aerobics room, and the biggest advantage we have here is we have also a multiplex, which is your private multiplex. Whenever you feel like you wanna watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, you don't need to go to the club. You can directly sit at your home and book it, right? And this is free of cost.
Free of
We're not charging anything.
Okay, great.
Further moving to your another bedroom which we are providing you 2 BHK large is this one. This is your second bedroom.
Second bedroom, okay.
Yeah. And the same balcony.
Same view is there, non-park view.
Yeah.
In any case, can we join this two balcony?
No, that provision is not there. So you can't really even change the color of the facade, because if you're gonna change the facade or if you're gonna join these balconies, so the look which we are getting from the highway. So if you can see the vehicle movements there, this highway is directly going towards Rohtak. And this highway is coming from this side. This is Delhi side. Directly going to Rohtak.
Okay.
So the facade will look bad. So our project image, you can say, will get hampered.
Okay.
Yeah. And also the sharing washroom which we have.
Yes, common washroom.
This is the common washroom.
Great. Common washroom is also very spacious.
Very spacious.
Yes.
So guys, that was all about our 2 BHK large, 1521 square feet. The biggest advantage, again I want to recall, is we are having a park facing and non-park facing view with all the 2 BHK large units. I hope you're going to love that.
Yes. What is the direction over here? Direction?
So this, if I talk about the facing, so 2 BHK large is our east facing units.
East face. And this is, I believe, north or something?
This is west. You can
this
see your sunset.
Okay.
So the biggest advantage is you can see your sunrise also, you can see your sunset also.
Okay.
And morning around 4 hours sunlight will be there, and evening around 6 hours sunlight will be there.
Sunlight. Great. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Hi, this is Tata Bahadurgarh 3 BHK, that is 1970 square feet. And see, we enter into this flat and you can see the living and dining. This is the living and dining, quite big living and dining along with the balcony. आप balcony देख सकते हैं and quite spacious है. ये balcony है with the sliding doors and अब देखिएगा काफ़ी spacious living and dining है. This is the 3 BHK and we move into the balcony. This is the running balcony. Just see, this is running balcony, काफ़ी बड़ी balcony है and this is the park facing या फिर non park facing units होते हैं यहाँ पे, तो the view is good enough and this is the living and dining we move into and this is the puja room एज वेल एज स्टोर रूम। ये देखिएगा, ये पूजा रूम है एंड दिस इज द स्टोर रूम इनसाइड। सो आप इसको मल्टीपर्पज चीज के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। एंड गोइंग इनटू वी हैव गॉट the common washroom. This is the common washroom. You can see all bathroom fittings are this with taps and all. This is one of the bedrooms. This is also having the balcony. Balcony जो हमने अभी गए थे वही balcony होगा। This is the balcony. The running balcony. You can see the काफी spacious bedroom है, आप देखिएगा। This is the balcony. This is the washroom. This is the bedroom, one of the bedrooms, and you can see. And this is one of the washroom, attached washroom, and this is the balcony, another balcony. You can see. एंड इनके साथ आपका कॉमन वॉशरूम रहेगा, अटैच वॉशरूम सॉरी। अटैच वॉशरूम एंड सी you have got another bedroom as well. See, this is the another bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and here also you have got the outside view. And see the garden facing and all, and just see the windows and all. Here also you have got a common washroom, attached washroom with this washroom bedroom, and you can see this is the and you have got all this washroom, and see. Here is the bedroom view, and this is another bedroom which we have seen, and this is the common washroom which all the guests can use, and this is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen. This is the granite flooring is there, granite flooring, and you have got the utility room as well. The gardens and all. So this washroom we do have all Jaguar fittings of taps and all. So very nice thing. And see this one. And you can exit it from here. Let's see at the society what we have.
Basically, now we are showing you the park of our Tata New Haven Bhadur project. This is all your jogging track and running track. So that is your inside in for the parking.
Parking, okay.
Right, and the currently place which we are standing, iske niche parking available.
Parking available.
So we have the basement parking available, and that is the out point for the parking.
Okay. And the construction doing at full phase, the finishing part.
The people who are taking the possession are doing the interior stuff.
Interior stuff सारे कर रहे हैं. ये आप देख सकते हैं किड्स प्ले ग्राउंड है यहाँ पे. किड्स के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा यहाँ पे प्ले के लिए है, खेलने के लिए. एंड दिस इज द जॉगिंग ट्रैक जहाँ से हम लोग जा रहे हैं. These are the various towers, and all of them. These are the garden, right? Garden facing. Garden facing towers. Yes, park facing.
And that is our clubhouse.
That is the clubhouse.
Very massive clubhouse.
Okay.
With all the amenities.
We'll look at the club also.
Yeah.
You can see very good jogging tracks and all around the project. And this is the jogging track, you can see. And यहाँ से आप parking के लिए भी जा सकते हैं. And this is all the outdoor activity you can do over here. Just look into it. What a massive project this is. You can see this tennis court and all. Tennis court, badminton court. Just have a view of the full society. These are under construction, so it's barricade हुआ है. यहाँ पे मतलब फिनिशिंग काम चल रही है. जिन्होंने हैंडओवर ले लिया उनका. बहुत जल्द दूसरे टावर्स भी आने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. दिस टावर वन ऑल. टावर 12 दिस इज. You can see wonderfully constructed, such a big space with lawn, garden and all. So it's wonderful things to have. With every apartment you can see the lawns in front. And we have got basement parking as well with all the apartments. This is the basement parking, you can see. The jogging track and all. Nicely built area. The walk